Hi guys, here's a quick review on this Stuffins Inc. 1997 Dachsund plush. Without further ado, let's get into the review. There's the eyes, plastic eyes, nose. Here's its tag. Very nice. Dachsund. Very cool looking. Here's its tag right here. Very cool. Let's zoom in. Stuffins 997. There's all the other ones to collect. Right there. Here's this tag right there. It says 97. And the back says this. Yep, very nice. And here he is like this, very nice. And here he is like this. And back up. Here he is. Now this one right here, this Dachshund actually had right here around this tag right here. There used to be like a Toys R Us price tag right there. It used to say like right here, $3.99 for this plush. It used to say it right there, $3.99. I believe I still have it. I don't know where it is yet, but I still have it. Believe it or not, I still have that price tag somewhere. So yeah, so that is really cool. So here he is like this, and like this, and like this, and like this. Pretty nice. There's his face. he gave you a little smooch on the cheek. Yep. It's beanie. So there he is like this. And like this. Very nice looking. Yep, very cool. Yeah, I love this Dachshund. I mean, this Dachshund is very, very nice. There's the Dachshund's tail. Very nice. Very amazing looking. There's its face. Very cute. Very cute looking Dachshund. Love this Dachshund. So awesome. It's so adorable in many, many ways. Love it so much. Yep. And like this. And the face. Very nice looking. There's the face. And like this. Very nice. I mean, like this dog. Look at this. It's so funny. You can't even barely see it. It's so like the color of it's so black. Like look, you can like barely even see it. Good thing the brown's there as well, so I can see a little bit more than the black labs. You know. Yep. Very nice. Very awesome looking. Here it is up top. Then the bottom, and going down to eye level. Here it is. Very nice looking. Very cool. And the back. And like this. Very nice. Very cute. Very nice and adorable. Like, look at that face. That is so adorable. There it is. Oh, there it is right there. Like this. There's the face. And there's the side right there. Yep, very, very nice looking plush right here. Yep. The ears are attached still. Very nice. After this plush being 27 years old. Well, I got this plush 2 years ago when it was like 25, believe it or not. So yeah. Yep, it still looks good after being almost 30 years old. It looks really, really cool, good looking. Yep. And nice. It's a beanie. And that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this Stuffins Inc. 1997 Dachshund Dog Plush. Alright guys, bye. Bye.